Everyone enjoys macadamia nuts, but almost no one realizes the intense, high-value operation hidden behind these tiny golden snacks. They may look small, smooth, and harmless, but producing over 37.7 million pounds every year in the United States alone is anything but simple. Sounds easy, just grow a tree and collect the nuts, right? Not even close. What if I told you that behind every single bite lies years of patience, precision, and a system so advanced that one mistake can cost farmers an entire season? Welcome back to Machine's Visit Today. We're diving deep into the secret world of macadamia production, a journey that begins in warm tropical climates and ends in premium snacks enjoyed worldwide. While Australia may be the birthplace of macadamia nuts, the United States, especially Hawaii, has turned their cultivation into a high-tech science. But here's the twist. These nuts don't give up easily. Each one is locked inside one of the hardest shells found in nature, protecting the rich, buttery kernel inside. Before you ever taste that smooth texture, it has survived a long and demanding journey. Macadamia trees thrive only under very specific conditions: warm subtropical climates, well-drained soil, and consistent rainfall. Places like Hawaii offer near-perfect environments, which is why it dominates production, while regions like California and Florida struggle to match its success. But even in ideal conditions, nothing happens quickly. These trees take 5 to 7 years just to begin producing nuts, and once they do, they can continue for over 100 years. That's not farming, that's a long-term investment. But here's where things get interesting. Unlike most crops, macadamia nuts don't need to be picked from the tree. Instead, they fall naturally to the ground when they're ready. Sounds simple, until you realize farmers must collect millions of these fallen nuts quickly before they spoil. And that's where modern machinery takes control. Large-scale farms rely on powerful, specialized equipment designed for speed and efficiency. Tree shakers clamp onto the trunks and send control vibrations through the entire tree, forcing any remaining ripe nuts to drop instantly. It's fast, aggressive, yet surprisingly precise. But that's only the beginning. Once the nuts hit the ground, massive nut sweepers move in, machines that operate like industrial vacuums, sweeping across the orchard floor and collecting thousands of pounds of nuts every hour, while filtering out leaves, twigs, and debris. It's a system built for scale. And the difference compared to manual harvesting? Massive. A single machine can do in hours what would take workers' days. In fact, modern machinery increases efficiency by up to 5 to 10 times. That's not just improvement. It's transformation. It reduces labor costs, speeds up harvesting, and ensures the nuts are collected at peak quality before they begin to degrade. Because timing here is everything. Once gathered, the nuts are stored under controlled conditions and transported for processing, where the real transformation begins. And when you step back and look at the full picture, one thing becomes clear. Macadamia farming isn't just about growing nuts. It's a high-stakes system powered by technology, patience, and precision. So the next time you enjoy that rich, buttery crunch, remember, behind that simple snack lies a process far more intense than you ever imagined. And just when you think the process is complete, the truth is, it's only getting deeper. Because behind every perfect macadamia nut reaching the market lies years of hidden effort that most people never see. These trees don't just grow on their own. They are carefully managed, monitored, and engineered for maximum yield. It all begins with selecting the right seedlings or grafted saplings, each chosen for strength, resilience, and productivity. But here's the twist. Farmers no longer rely only on manual planting. Advanced automated machines now dig precise holes, enrich the soil, and position each young tree with exact spacing, ensuring every single plant has the best possible chance to thrive. It's not just planting. It's calculated precision from day one. Because even the smallest mistake at this stage can affect production years later. Macadamia trees demand perfect conditions: well-drained soil, balanced nutrients, and controlled irrigation. Too much water, and roots begin to rot. Too little, and growth slows down. So farmers constantly test the soil, adjusting pH levels and nutrients to create the ideal environment. But even that's not enough, because one of the most critical and often overlooked factors is pollination. Unlike many crops, macadamia trees depend heavily on bees. Without them, yields can drop dramatically. That's why farmers strategically place beehives across orchards, creating a system where nature itself becomes part of the production process. It's a delicate balance between technology and biology. And when everything works together, the results are incredible: millions of pounds of high-quality nuts harvested every year. But here's where things take another unexpected turn. Just as macadamia nuts rely on advanced harvesting systems, another crop follows a surprisingly similar path: pecans. At first glance, pecans may seem ordinary, but their journey is just as intense. Harvest season begins between October and November, and this is when pressure builds across orchards. Each pecan signals its readiness as the green outer shell begins to crack, revealing the hard nut inside. But getting those nuts from towering trees, some reaching up to 100 feet, is no simple task. And once again, modern machinery takes control. Tree shakers grip the trunk with hydraulic clamps and unleash control vibrations powerful enough to bring down thousands of nuts in seconds, yet precise enough to protect the tree's structure. It's raw force guided by precision engineering. Once the pecans fall, the operation accelerates. Nut sweepers and row gatherers move across the orchard floor, sweeping everything into clean rows using rotating brushes and powerful airflow systems that push away unwanted debris. It's fast, efficient, and almost surgical in execution. But the real challenge is collection. Specialized harvesters move in, lifting the pecans using conveyor systems, while integrated fans remove dust and dirt instantly. Within moments, what was scattered across acres is gathered and stored. But timing is critical, because delays can reduce quality. That's why specially designed transport trucks carry the pecans to processing facilities under controlled conditions, protecting them from environmental damage. And when you step back and look at this entire system, from careful planting to high-speed harvesting, you begin to realize something powerful. This isn't just agriculture anymore. It's a fully optimized operation driven by precision, technology, and nature working together. Every step is controlled. Every decision matters. And behind every handful of nuts, there's a story of effort, innovation, and survival that most people never see. And just when you think the journey couldn't get any more precise, this is where perfection is truly tested. Beyond their nutritional value, modern machinery doesn't just improve efficiency, it quietly protects the environment, reducing waste in orchards and optimizing energy during transportation. But behind all this technology lies something even more powerful: the dedication of farmers determined to deliver only the highest quality pecans to consumers. Because once harvested, the real pressure begins. The pecans are rushed to processing plants, where every second matters and every step must be flawless. The journey starts as the nuts are poured into massive receiving pits, beginning a carefully controlled cleaning process. Conveyor belts carry them through powerful air blowers and vibrating screens that strip away branches, leaves, and dirt collected during harvesting. It may seem routine, but this step is critical, because even the smallest impurity can affect the final product. Next comes an even more intense stage: vacuum cleaning. High-powered aspirators generate strong airflow, removing the finest dust, shell fragments, and hidden particles, leaving pecans almost perfectly clean. But cleanliness alone isn't enough. Now comes sterilization, a step where precision meets safety. The pecans are immersed in a carefully controlled chlorine solution, eliminating bacteria and contaminants that could compromise quality. But here's the catch: too much exposure could damage the nuts, while too little could leave them unsafe. It's a delicate balance. Immediately after, they are washed with hot water, ensuring every trace of residue is removed, meeting the strictest hygiene standards. Then comes drying, one of the most critical stages. Industrial dryers reduce moisture levels to just 4 to 5%, preserving freshness, enhancing crunch, and locking in that signature pecan flavor. But even here, timing is everything. Too much heat, and the texture is lost. Too little, and shelf life is compromised. And then comes one of the most delicate operations of all: shelling. The pecans are fed into precision machines where pistons apply even pressure from both sides, cracking the shell without damaging the valuable nut inside. It sounds simple, but it requires incredible accuracy, because one small error can break the kernel and reduce its market value instantly. After shelling, the pecans move into sorting systems where vibrating screens categorize them by size: large, medium, and small, each destined for different commercial uses. But the process doesn't stop there. Advanced optical scanning machines step in, using high-tech sensors to detect imperfections, discoloration, or damage in seconds. Only the best pass through. And even after this, human workers perform a final inspection, catching what machines might miss. It's a system where nothing is left to chance. Finally, the pecans are packaged whole, broken, or shelled, sealed and labeled with detailed information about quality, origin, and expiration dates. But what makes pecans truly remarkable goes far beyond processing. They're not just food. They're a symbol of value, culture, and everyday life. Economically, they generate billions, supporting farmers and entire industries. Culturally, they represent prosperity and tradition, often shared during holidays and celebrations. And in daily life, they find their way into meals, snacks, and even oils that support health and beauty. And when you step back and see the full picture, from orchard to processing plant to your table, you realize something powerful. This isn't just about nuts. It's about a system driven by precision, innovation, and human effort working together at every stage. So the next time you enjoy a handful of pecans, remember, behind that simple snack lies a journey far more complex than you ever imagined. And if this story changed the way you see it, don't forget to subscribe, and stay with us, because there's always more happening behind the scenes than you think.